The next step is to install RStudio. So click on the link in the slide. That brings you to this website. Click download, products, and RStudio. It's the free one that you want. So scroll down, click on that one, and then this is the one that you want, again the free one. Choose your version, and again the free one. I think you're getting the idea of this, that it is free. We then download RStudio for Windows if it's your Windows one. If it's not, then you've got these other options here, whether you've got Linux, and then further down there should be one for Mac. Whichever one relates to your computer. The Mac one, and then the Linux ones. So we've now downloaded that. So we click on the window or chart wizard, and that will open. Yes, we do want to allow it to make changes to our device, and then we've got the startup wizard, the setup wizard. So we press next, download into C drive, and then install. It will take a few seconds to install, but when it finishes, then it's just one more click of a button, which is the finish one. And then you're all ready to start actually doing some coding. Skipped a few seconds there, and then you will press finish.